Hi, I'm John. I'm your HydroKleen technician today. I'm going to walk you through a clean that we carried out in a resort on the Gold Coast, and the clean will be carried out using our unique HydroKleen machine and our HydroKleen catchment bags, and you can see us erecting the catchment bag there as we speak. You can see here I'm just pointing out where somebody's tried to clean the muck and the mould away from from underneath the barrel fan, and you can see now I've just started to clean the barrel fan and clean the plastic, and in fact I'm spinning the barrel fan quite quickly, and by spinning it takes the hot water and the cleaning agent up the back of the chassis and cleans the back of the chassis at the same time. You can see there it's coming off quite easily now. It's probably taken me 60 seconds to do this, perhaps not that long, and if you had employed an air conditioning technician to do this, it probably would have taken him up to an hour to achieve the same result as we've just achieved there in 60 seconds. So you can see it's still spinning quite quickly there, and it's got no gunk on it at all. The stuff that you're seeing in this air conditioner is in fact a lot of dust, quite a bit of mould, fungi, a lot of DNA, and it just gets lodged. It comes through the filters. The filters will only filter down to about 40 or 50 microns, and it comes through the filters and lodges itself in the coil and the barrel fan. Now you can see here we're cleaning the coil. We've already put a cleaning agent through this coil, and what's coming out of that gun is pure water and air mixture. As you can see, it doesn't matter how we hit the fins, it cleans them all the way through. That coil is about 1 inch thick, so you need to be able to push water all the way through that coil to clean it properly. It's no good just brushing it off with a brush, because you're not cleaning the coil all the way through, and if you don't, it still means that the air that gets drawn over all of those little fins has still got to fight its way through the dirt to get cooled, hence the reason why you must clean them. So next time you get your air conditioning serviced, make sure that you are going to get it properly cleaned. That should be a prerequisite of a service if your air conditioner is dirty. So we're just going to finish off this coil now, and you can see that it's coming back to almost new again. And this coil here is what we normally see in most air conditioners that we clean. This is just a normal amount of dirt that gets in an air conditioner over a period of time. A lot of people ask how often should you clean your air conditioner. We suggest that you should have them looked at least every 12 months, and it's like your car. The more you use it, the more you should get it serviced. Now here I'm cleaning the muck out of the drain pan. That's what causes your leaks. If you don't get all the dirt out of the drain pan and it's like a jelly, and blow that out of the drain pan, it eventually will block your air conditioner and it'll leak. And you can see me putting the gun into the drain, then I'm just giving it a real blast to knock anything out of the drain. Now here's what's come out of that air conditioner. You can see it looks a bit like soup, not pretty, and quite smelly. Now we've taken the covers off this before we cleaned it. We actually tested the hen unit, make sure it was cold before we cleaned it. And you can see we've now sprayed a cleaning agent on the covers, the louver, and we're just washing all that off now, so that comes back to brand new as well. Important, because lodged in behind that cover is a lot of mould, and you can see on the filter that's just a normal filter, but you'll see when we start cleaning it just how clean it comes. Most of them look like that until we clean them. You can see that they come back to brand new again. Those filters will take a lot of the microns, dust and stuff out of the air, but it certainly doesn't get it all, as you've seen by how dirty that head unit was. So there you go. So they all look like new again, so they'll go back on nice and clean. And the last thing we do is your condenser. Now, as long as your condenser is reachable, we clean it. If it's on the ground like this, you see there, then it'll need cleaned. If it's in the air, up on the roof, it self-cleans. So there you go, how to clean a head unit using our unique HydroKleen system.